Do you know how to pronounce this letter combination?
不会。
Really?
Yes.
Give me an example. Like, can you pronounce this word?
The estate on statue.
No. Fire station. Police station. So this word is station. Station. So now, can you reason that how you should pronounce this letter combinations?
是
Very good, 是. So today we're going to learn the sound of tion. In general, like usually the letter combinations tion can be pronounced as sh, shin, shin, shin. So the ti is normally pronounced as sh, sh. So shin, 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 shin. So station, fire station, police station. Okay, now you know how to pronounce these 4-letter combinations. So can you try to pronounce these words?
Punish.
No, caution.
Caution.
Caution, be cautious. Caution, take cautions means, what's the meaning? Caution.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of advanced. It's very advanced. So it's okay that you don't know it. So caution means 小心注意 take cautions 就是要注意些意，然后 cautious be cautious 就是要很小心。好 let's look at the second word. How about this one? Can you try to spell? So please don't make noise. Please don't make noise. It's okay.
Okay. I know. Trad is tradish.
Here.
Tradish.
Tradish. I can give you another hint. This hint, tion tion 从来不重读，那什么地方重读？是前面的那一个音节重读。So tion tion 不重读 ，di 重读。
Trashin 还是 trashin
这个音节重读 di 怎么读
？di 不要的
d 对吧 ？d 要重读，就是 tion 前面的那个音节重读。So the syllable before the tion should be stressed. 所以 d 重读是 dition， 那前面怎么读？合起来。
tradition.
Very good. Tradition. 什么意思 tradition 呢 ？What's the meaning of tradition?
Tradition, I don't know.
传统。
传统。
So what traditions do you have at your family?
My tradition is sleep all day.
你们家有睡觉的传统对吧 ？Tradition. For those kind of advanced words, it's difficult. Give me you an example. Tradition. For example, like in Spring Festival, your grandma or grandpa may give you some lucky money. 就给你压岁钱，过年的钱。This is kind of Chinese tradition. 这就是中国的一个传统，就过年的时候，就是你的姥爷姥姥他们会给你压岁钱，这是it's kind of a tradition. 这就是一个 tradition. 知道 tradition 的意思吗？好，第二个也很难，你要不要试着拼一下
frustration.
记住刚刚学了一个要点，就是心前面的那个音节重读，所以应该重读是 tra 对吧？
对，那我怎么知道它怎么说呀？
那你就试一下拼一下呀，试着拼一下。
tradition.
对呀，合起来。
frustration.
Very good, very good, very close, right? Very close, very close. 你应该 very close， 很厉害了，对吧？再读一遍。
Mom.
What?
Stressing.
Together?
Frustration. Frustration.
Very good, very close. Frustration. You see, 你看到 So did you notice that the syllable before the tion is stressed? So it's not frustration. It's frustration. What's the meaning of frustration? Frustration means depressed. 很沮丧，非常沮丧，沮丧
I
对吧
think I'm suppressed.
So you are depressed now, right? Because you don't want to study, but I force you to study, so you feel so frustrated. So you feel very frustrated, right? You feel depressed and frustrated. But let's be a little bit persistent. Okay, let's show a little bit of persistence. Next word.
Conversation.
Very good, you got it. Conversation. What's the meaning of conversation? 对话，对吧？一个
I think before I
Now
know.
we are having conversation. 我们现在正在对话。Now we are having a conversation, right? What do you want to say?
I want to say, did I know this before?
Probably, maybe we have learned it before, maybe. Okay, station, fire station, police station. Okay, so usually tion is pronounced as shin, but sometimes there are exceptions. 有例外. Please don't make any noise, okay?
Okay.
But there are exceptions. For example, here, how do you pronounce this word?
Qua is to on. Question.
Question. So you see here we pronounce shin, but here we pronounce chin. So ti in here ti is pronounced as sh, but here ti is pronounced as sh. So chin, question. Why? Because before tion there is magical letter s. So if there's a s in front of tion, then the tion will be pronounced as chin. So question. So now
Exhaustion.
This one a little bit difficult. This one exhausting. So I feel exhausted. Exhaust 就是耗尽了所有的力气。Exhausted. I feel so exhausted. 我好累啊。
I feel too. Because
Okay.
why?
Okay, exhausting 就是一个名词。Exhausting. This one, can you pronounce this one?
Digestion.
消化，对吧？ Digestion. So similar as shin, like the syllable before tion should be stressed. So here we should put the stress on the syllable ge. So it's digestion. It's not digestion. It's digestion. So you have already noticed that when we add tion to the end of the word, then the word is transformed into a noun. 就是当我们加，你发现没有？根据之前发现 tion 好像都是名词，对吧？所以其实 tion 是一个很神奇的词，它是一个很神奇的后缀 suffix。后缀就是后缀什么？加在一个词尾的东西叫做后缀，英文叫做 suffix。就是比如说 infect 就是感染传染，对吧？它是一个动词 it's a verb. But after adding tion, it is transformed into a noun, infection 传染。There are many infections in our city. 我们的城市有很多传染案例了，已经，对吧？ Infect. I want to infect you with the virus. 我想用病毒感染你。Infect 这是个动词，对吧？但是Do you have an infection now? 你现在被感染了吗？就 Do you have an infection? Infection 就是个名词。
No.
Please have a little bit of patience, okay? 我们接着实际上很快就结束了，好吗
Okay.
Invent 就发明创造。Invent 没有 eventually. Invent 就是发明创造，然后加上 shin 以后变成什么词啊？能读一下吗
Invention.
还有 construct 建造加上 shin 以后变成什么呀？
Constructor.
construction, shin, chin, shin, chin. Okay, act quickly， 快点行动 ，act quickly，act 是行为行动，加了 shin 以后就变成什么？行为动作 ，action movie。Do you like watching action movie？ 动作片。
动作片，我也是动作片。
就是里面有很多功夫呀、武打的呀。A lot of 功夫 in action movies probably.
No.
Okay, let's just say next line. So we have learned the tion. So can you tell me how you should pronounce tion?
Tion.
Shin or chin. Here we have some variations like sion and cian is also pronounced as shin. For example, magician. So same as tion, the syllable before cian should be stressed. So here we stress here like magician. How about this one? Can you figure out the pronunciation?
Mission.
Very good, mission. This one?
I have a mission.
Yes. How about this one?
Nation.
Nation. 国家，对吧？国家。Okay, that's all for today.
Nation is a city.
Nation 国家。
Oh.
For example, a nation, national.
Oh, nation is 美国.
Yeah. America is one nation, right?
Yes.
I see. Canada is also a nation. Yeah. Thank you.
But I think it's small.
Okay, that's all for today. See you next time.